YouTube thumbnail. There we go. It looks like Guardians of the Galaxy. Hello. Hello.
Holy.
It's like if a YouTube thumbnail was like an alien, it's always sort of what?
It looks like you're obviously like doing that because you're bald, but then at the same time like you have the hat on, so it's like kind of taking the attention away from it too.
Woo!
We're just having a bit of fun.
Just having a little fun. It's a mask. That's my AirPod.
Congratulations and thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. More content to come, so stay tuned and see you in a bit.